Today we're going to be talking about how babies are made.
What does Melody know about making babies?
They're made out of water.
Yeah, they are made out of water.
How did Daddy and Mommy make you?
Magic.
Magic?
You fried me on a pan.
He fried you on a pan? I cooked you in my stomach? Or on the pan?
On a pan?
Melody, when two adults want to have a child, they have to have
Work
sex.
together. Work together.
Work
They
together.
have to work together, yes.
It's called
In order
making
to-
love or intercourse or sex, the sex word, and it's nothing bad. It's what Mommy and Daddy did to have you. Remember I told you Mommy makes a potion, Daddy makes a potion.
Stir me.
I stir you up, and then Mommy drinks it. Well, that's not how babies are made.
What makes me a man and what makes Mom a woman?
You have bigger hands in her. You're tall.
What about our body parts? How are
Yeah.
men and women different?
Man and woman are different because we have different reproductive organs. And in order to create and continue the cycle of life, we have to have intercourse.
How did your Tia Alice have her baby?
She came out of her butt.
Her butt? Okay. No, she didn't come out of the butt.
It came out of her vagina.
That's weird.
See this pocket?
Yep.
Okay. The pocket is the vagina. Okay? And in order to have a child, Daddy has to put his penis in the pocket. Do you understand?
Ew.
Yeah. You're gonna look at the world a lot different now.